thank you. You wanted your foot up? Everybody has to watch Emma. Yeah, you need babysitter. Okay. Oh, thank you. What a good girl. What a good girl. Good job. Good job, Daisy. Good girl, Emma. Slowly but surely, huh? You guys are getting used to each other. It takes time. It's okay. You're okay. Daisy's definitely having a little bit of a harder time only because one, she's not been around other birds. It's just been us. But two, Emma's a little bit bigger than her, so I think that's a little bit scary for her. And even though Emma's a little bigger, she's younger than Daisy. So, we're getting there though. You guys are making progress. You're doing great. Oh, you're such a cuddle bug, you know that? You just love to cuddle. Oh, you love to cuddle? Because you're a sweet baby girl. Yeah, tell him. Tell him all about it. You had a good day today? Just pure relaxation, huh? Yeah, you did. Daisy, how about you? You're ready for bed. You tired. She's tired of my shenanigans, huh? Yes, girly. Yes, girly girl.